is in the other lane trying to get a video of everybody cruising on by. We have made it to the show. Here is the Mountain Shadow Cruisers first lineup row. We've got some parked over here at the fence, and then another lineup is over on the other side of the field. That's where we're parked. It's kind of overcast right now, but it's supposed to storm later, so we're hoping we can get back to the shop before that happens, because Thomas is in the 32 today. They're doing a cakewalk over there now. This is a great show. Everything is free. They have donuts, coffee, door prizes, but you're welcome to make a donation, so of course we did. But it is always a good turnout and a good time.
Find you a number.
So that's the second row over there of the car club.
Number one is number one.
Over there at the other fence.
Hot dogs and chili, you have one. Actually, you want a cake, not a hot dogs and chili. That's later. I need somebody on number one. Somebody slide in there. We got to fill these spots. We got to keep it walking. That's two things we've given away. Y'all ready? Keep walking.
Got a tent up over there. Thomas is over there hanging out.
I'm not interested in emails right now. Keep walking.
We'll get over there in a few minutes and check out the rest of the cars. We still have some coming in.
All right, we're going to have to do, after this one for a second, we'll pause for a second, let a couple cars get through.
So check out what we brought today. We brought a pedal car with a timeout baby that looks just like Thomas. His mom and dad made that years ago when they used to do DJing for weddings and parties. And they had that set up at their DJ booth with a pedal car. So look at there, it looks just like him. Long hair, tools, grease rag and everything. It's even got one of our original Dixie towing hats on that we bought back in the 90s. Let's get over here and see what's under the hood of this pretty 55. we have got a 71 Pontiac Sport here that the owners Tyrone and Sherry are here, and they're going to tell us a little bit about it.
Cyber Electric green, Volkswagen green, plum purple motor, pushing about 350 horsepower, sniper carburetors, good exhaust, everything's up to par on it.
How long have you owned it?
We've had it almost a year now.
Really?
Almost a year.
Awesome.
All original top. The tiger on top is named Serbius.
Now, have you done any upgrades to it since you've owned it, or was
We've
it?
done all the interior.
Okay, cool.
We've done all the interior. Everything's new.
Really cool. Y'all did a good job.
All the women like the plum purple on
Yeah.
it. The gas tank, rear end, got a 12 bolt, 65 Impala rear end under it.
Well, it is beautiful. And y'all are from Sunbright.
We are from Sunbright.
Y'all plan on doing anything else to it?
This is it. It's just a driver now. We
Yeah.
don't work to it, now we're going to drive.
Awesome. Well, it's beautiful.
Thank you.
We appreciate you telling us about it.
Thank you.
And now you said this Dodge is your friend's?
This is a friend of mine. His name is Roy Lane. And he's done a lot of work to this one. He completely rebuilt it. Motor is a LS1. It's a 47 Dodge. LS1 motor.
A friend of ours has a Dodge. I think it's about this model. He hasn't. We were supposed to restore it for him, but then we moved from Georgia here, so he got it back in pieces. So maybe we'll get that project one day for him. Yeah, that's
So he has completely redone this thing from one end to the other.
awesome. And is he from Sunbright too?
He is from Oneida.
Oh no, okay. All right, cool little truck there.
It is. It's a real cool truck. All brand new interior on it.
Really clean, looks good.
And made wooden bed inside.
Take a look at that.
Mirror mounts are all handmade.
He do those as well?
It is.
Awesome.
The light brackets are all handmade. So he fabricated this thing all himself.
Nice. That's what we like to see. That's what my husband does too. He does a lot of fabricating and building.
Keeps it original looking.
That's right. Well, y'all have some very nice rides. I appreciate you telling me about them.
Well, if we've got another, we got 4 more at home.
Well, I'm sure we'll see them at a show soon.
You will.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, come on in there, Captain. We got spaces. I got one right there. Here we go. Number 5 open. Come on, Captain. Don't let us all down. Young lady's big. We're not going to big today.
Yes. I will be.
Reason was that I need you.
Well, it's starting to rain, so some of them are heading on out. See if I can get back on over to the car. Get under the tent for a minute. Maybe this will blow over. Maybe they won't all pack up and leave. Alright, let me get over here to the tent real quick. The rain slacks up, then I will come back out and video again in a minute.
There
See if we can get a few more cars before the second wave of rain comes through here. A lot of them have already headed out. See if I can get this row. Thomas and I both won the door prize, so we sure appreciate that. Alright, I'm going to run back to the tent. Get a close-up of the car club members real quick while I'm heading over this way. Sounds like Mr. Harold just won a door prize.
From Kingston. Wayne, you have also won. Head down to the 10. Let's stay dry for a little bit longer.
I also met Elisa from Cruising Tennessee on Facebook, so y'all go check out her Facebook and her YouTube channel. Well, it's still raining, so I'm going to go ahead and do a quick walkthrough through all the cars parked over here before everybody starts leaving. Well, we've decided to head on to the shop now that the rain has stopped. So we appreciate y'all hanging out with us today. It was a short video due to the rain, but at least we had a good time hanging out with our friends with the Mountain Shadow Cruisers and meeting some new friends. So y'all don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and we will see y'all at the next show. Thanks for watching.